Hi guys, it's Tamika from Sister Saving You Cents. Now we are at Harris Teeter Super Doubles, guys. It is let's see, can y'all see the Harris Teeter? It is about 6:30, so it is confirmed that we have Super Doubles. We're gonna run in and see what we can get before I head out to work, guys, and I'll be back. Bye. So my total ended up being $448. I got everything that you seen in the cart, and I just want to say thank you to the lady that I seen this morning at Harris Teeter in Kernersville. Thanks for watching. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, guys, if you check on the community tab, there's a updated list of the deals, and beware, some of the coupons are not doubling that should double, like the Ken's dressing, and I think the Sticky Fingers barbecue sauce. So make sure you look out. They should manually double them for you because they do not